The global market for electric vehicles is expanding at a breakneck pace and is being inundated by an abundance of businesses concerned with environmental issues. Manufacturers of EVs are seizing the opportunity presented by the global trend toward more environmentally responsible practices and fewer carbon emissions. One such automaker is Fisker. FSR stock received a lot of positive attention and publicity after the business launched the Ocean SUV, which it asserts is the most environmentally friendly automobile in the entire world. But is their claim true? What do you think? Okay, so welcome guys back to Tech Electric, where you will get answers to all your questions and where your doubts will be cleared. By the way, my friends, how are you all? Well, don't worry, I am fine. Guys, we are here today with a topic related to what we did in the last video, where we talked about the most important features of the Fisker Ocean electric vehicles. Giving you all a basic introduction about the topic, which we are going to discuss, the Fisker Ocean appears to be a remarkable all-electric SUV, and it is intended to make its debut on the market at a price point that is far lower than that of many other EVs. However, for clients to reserve one at this time, they need to deposit $5,000, and it is a fee that is non-refundable. This is in addition to the $250 non-refundable deposit that Fisker has already received from prospective purchasers. However, this does not mean that you should immediately add Fisker to your investment portfolio, and today's discussion will be only on the thing why you should avoid buying the vehicle. So before moving ahead, just do subscribe to our channel and also comment on your views and the points you want to add to the video in case I am missing any. Okay, so now without wasting time, let's get into the video. Fisker has very big dreams. Already the business has divulged information regarding 3 significant EV projects: the Ocean, the Pear, and most recently, Project Ronin. For such a young brand, they have quite an impressive lineup. The issue is that none of these automobiles has been produced as of yet. At this point, Fisker only has ideas and no actual products to offer. It comes out as a bit too brazen to ask your potential clients to send a few $1,000s without providing any sort of guarantee that the promises you made will be fulfilled. Since the beginning of production of the Ocean is scheduled for the month of November, Fisker may be able to make good on at least one of its commitments before the end of the year. However, the delivery for certain customers who have already made reservations will not take place until September 2023 at the earliest. Let's take a look at the dangers that come with investing in FSR stock. I know this is the part that you are all waiting to watch, so don't worry, the wait is over. Many risks are talked about which are influencing people not to buy the electric vehicles of Fisker Ocean too early. Before I move ahead, just do subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. In July of 2017, the special purpose acquisition company, Spartan Energy Acquisition, made the public announcement that it will be merging with Fisker. After the merger, the price of FSR stock increased by more than 110% in November. This was also partially due to excitement in the electric vehicle business, which drove up the price. The gains, however, did not hold up for very long. Since the post-merger rise in November, its price has decreased by over half of what it was then. FSR stock has practically lost half of its value, currently trading at $11.38 per share. It would appear that Fisker does not stand a chance of succeeding in the extremely competitive electric vehicle business. What is your view? Put it in the comment section. Decreased activity and increased conjecture. Their Ocean SUV has been much discussed but has not yet entered production. It has been revealed that the vehicle can go between 250 and 350 miles on a single charge, that a solar roof is available, and that both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations are available. But it's possible that shipping won't start until November 2022. Starting at $37,499, Fisker's new automobile will be manufactured in a factory in Mexico. You may also lease the car from the firm for $3,000. The leasing model, however, does not feel right. There is no set duration, so if the client is unhappy at any point, they may simply hand back the car. Attracting clients in the short term is possible, but the corporation will lose sight of its cash flow in the long run if it does this. Whether or not the corporation will be able to produce enough of its SUV to meet demand is an open question. Customers may quickly be swayed in favor of a different brand of electric SUV due to increased competition and competitive pricing. The foundational qualities of Fisker are not particularly outstanding. The reported loss for the fourth quarter was $12 million. Free cash flow is projected to be $1.9 billion in 2025, with revenue of $13.2 billion. Remember that the company is now making no money, and that turning that into $13 billion in just 5 years is no easy task. Further, ongoing business costs are steadily rising. In any case, management has just made estimates. Speculation will continue to be just that until there is action. Friends, now it's time to watch the bottom line of our video. While EV firms have shown encouraging growth this year, FSR stock remains a high-risk investment option. Unconfirmed reports have said the corporation is developing an SUV. Insufficient fundamentals make the current valuation of the company unreasonable. In the next months, the stock price can fall again. Avoid the stock until we witness the delivery of the Ocean SUV. Lack of debt and a $1 billion cash balance are positives, but neither tell us if or when production will begin or if deadlines will be reached. If we adopt a leasing arrangement, will customers be interested? What kind of results can we expect in terms of the company's bottom line? As soon as the corporation unveils the product is when we'll find out. Don't buy FSR stock until then. There are several additional formidable competitors to think about if you're considering entering the EV market. Fisker Automotive failed to meet its targets for revenue, pricing, production, and sales before the failure of its battery supplier forced it to suspend the production of its Fisker Karma. The Fisker Karma was finally delivered to customers approximately 2 years later than planned and was sold for a price that was significantly higher than that which was initially announced. This time around, he is certain that he will not be one of the new companies that are going to go public that fails to satisfy the expectations of investors, since he has learned from his previous failures. In the aftermath of Nikola's difficulties, investors are worried about other vehicle startups financed by SPACs. Mark Weiser, the co-founder of RPM Ventures, remarked, "When you have no product and no money, it's all about the story. Investing in unknown companies is speculative and risky." Nikola shares fell from $93.99 to $16.15 on September 24, but have subsequently recovered to $22.24. Spartan's Energy shares are $12.27, down from $21.58 in July. Diamond Peak Holdings, which back Lordstown Motors, is down 33%, and Kensington Capital Acquisition Corp is down 45%. Lordstown Motors intends to compete with Tesla, Ford, GM, Rivian, Nikola, and others with their $52,500 Endurance electric pickup late next year. In September, Lordstown and Diamond Peak told investors the truck maker expects $3.5 billion in revenue and $300 million in pre-tax profit in 2023. QuantumScape has a promising new solid-state battery cell with Volkswagen support, but it's years away from practical production and major revenue. Whether fund managers offering blank check agreements will be more cautious post-Nikola is unknown. Some investors are pickier after Nikola and Fisker. When asked if the production timeline for the Ocean was still on track, Fisker responded, "All I can tell you is that we are on schedule." So this was the video, guys, I had for you all. Tell me your opinion about Fisker Ocean's production in the comment section. And also, before leaving, do subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. Okay guys, it's time to say goodbye to you all. Take care. Bye-bye.